guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw blue crayfish. So we're going to do 2 dots and go out and do a curve and come back in. And the same thing. And then do a curve right there. And then we can add a thing like this and another one which gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And we can also do it thinner. And we can do a curve right here. And then do the same thing on the other side. And then we can draw 2 circles and color them in. And then we can draw a big claw like this and do joins like that, and then another join like that, and then the big claw part. And then do bumpy lines inside the claw. And the same on the other side. And then some lines on the inside. And then we can do a round body like this. And then a tail like this. And then we can do 4 legs. So let's go 1 leg, go straight, and then go a little diagonal, and then go straight 1 more time, and connect. And do that on the other side. And then besides the other one. We'll keep on going until we get 4. And then we can do 1 pad like that, and another pad, and another one. And then we can do ridges like this on its tail. And then a thing like this, and one right here too. And let's do the legs on the other side. And then we can start coloring. But we forgot one step. We have to do lines right here. And then we'll start coloring. We'll take our tin permanent and outline it. Let's go get our tin permanent.